Githima kiria kiahithukirio ni kambuni ya China Bridge Corporation iria iraka reri ya SGR mwena wa Ngong. Githima kiria kiri mwena wa Kimuka kiahithukirio hindi ya waki wa mungu wa mugithi na kwa ihinda riri ni githondekete rũĩ rũrĩa rũratherera kwa makiria ma kilomita 100 mwena ucio. Kambuni ino ni yekire uthuthuria na gukionekana maai maya ni magĩrĩru na kuhuthirwo na muthenya wa ira uraneana maai maya kuri Aikari ya mwena ucio. Joseph Olerenku ni governor wa Kajiado.
We are very hopeful as a county that we mark another very important step in addressing the water shortage in our county. We are a water deficient county, an arid and semi-arid land in our county, and today we hope that our percentage of people getting water will improve from the current 35 going forward, because it is my aspiration that by 2022 we'll have achieved a 60 and above water provisions to our communities.
Aikari ya mwena uyu matinahitha gikeno kiao kuona nimakoretwo na thina munene wa maai kwa ihinda iraya. Olerenku niaugite aria mekunyitikana makihuthira maai maya uria gutagiriire nimekuerwo ikinya.
I'm sure that storage capacity will improve our ability to push the water further down using gravity to Aikari, a road, and hopefully one time we might even get to a vessel. It will not be surprising because this is a lot of water.
Maai macio ni matwaritwo nginyanagia demu-ini ya Roshoibor kuria megucoka gukinyiria muingi kuhitukira miberethi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.